How to fix Xiaomi 15 QR code scanner not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see the option manage apps. Now click on manage apps and then search here camera and then click on camera. Now on top you can see the option storage. Now click on it. Now here you can clear your camera data. After clear your camera data, then go back and open system app settings. Now click on it and then click on camera. Now on top you can see the option smart suggestions. Now click on it and here you can enable or disable your QR codes. After enable and disable QR codes, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.